Hi everybody and greetings. I'm Matty Miguel Francia and welcome to the Disney Movies Blog TV channel. Today I'm going to show you on what you get when you unbox Walt Disney Chicken Little Blu-ray combo pack set. Here it is. Here's what the front cover looks like. It has Chicken Little, Runt of the Litter, Morcubine, Porcupine, and Fish Out of the Water on the front cover on it. So, here's the spine and the back. Here's what bonus features you'll get. You'll get audio commentary, Hatching Chicken Little, the making of the movie, original deleted scenes with intro, deleted scenes, Shake a Tail Feather, music video performed by the Cheetah Girls, One Little Skip performed by Bare Naked Ladies, One Little Skip karaoke, One Little Slip sing-along, exclusive Blu-ray games, and more. You'll also get English, Spanish, and French audio and subtitles language tracks. And you'll also get the Disney Movie Rewards activation code. You should use it to enter code to earn points to unlock cool new stuff. Let's unbox this movie. Here's Walt Disney Chicken Little Disney Blu-ray disc. And here's Walt Disney Chicken Little Disney DVD disc. And here's the Disney Movie Rewards activation code. You should use it to enter the code to earn points to unlock cool new stuff. This is what the backside of it looks like. Thank you for watching this video and please give a like and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.